natin dito. Kung 11-2, 364. Kung 2-11, 140. $230 kung 2, kung 11, 16 or 8 winning tickets. No, sabi sa'yo may photo tayo Panoorin natin muli, race number 13.
Page Barber open, racing in front, is taken by Saki's Friend, followed by Wins Connection, one outside, Save Our Queen, one barrel. I love this game, then followed by Cars on Fire, in between horses, Bullseye, having the winning post, Wins Connection, takes the lead balang, followed by Save Our Queen, Trends for the back now to Saki's Friend, and followed by I Love This Game. Around the outside, Cars on Fire, Bullseye, Buyer of the Wind, and followed by Bloodline. Getting Personal, Tony Quarters around the outside now as they enter the backstretch. The White Horse, Wins Connection, leads Balang Karapa. Save Our Queen running second. Saki's Friend, sneaking by the wheel third. I love this game, racing forward by the 5 lengths. Here comes Bloodline, Cars on Fire, Might of the Wind, Tony Quarter, Getting Personal. Inside the last 600, Wins Connection being joined by Saki's Friend. And running in third is Save Our Queen, Bloodline, sneaking and getting stronger. Inside the last 400, Saki's Friend, Wins Connection, Bloodline on the outside as they enter the home stretch. It's Saki's Friend, a long shot, Wins Connection, Bloodline moving up barrel. Saki's Friend on the outside, Bloodline is running barrel. It's still Saki's Friend, Bloodline. It's Saki's Friend, a long shot, Bloodline. I love this game, Saki's Friend, I love this game, Bloodline. And finally, close one. I love this game, Saki's Friend, Bloodline, Getting Personal. Tony.
Dikit. At ang oras 138.4 for either I Love This Game or Saki's Friend.
At syempre pa, pagka may ganyang photo, laging naunan mag-weigh in yung mababang numero.
This slow-mo replay is brought to you by Katialis Ointment and Medicated Soap. Para sa kutis na totoong malinis, makinis at walang skin disease, gamitin lagi ang Katialis.
Ito, tingnan natin itong datingan na ito. No? Nauuna dito sa Saki's Friend. Sumasagitsit. Work for the day.
I love this game, and as they hit the line, pwede na magdesisyon.
Meron pa isa yung pang-apat.
Pang-apat?
Tignan natin.
Between?
Ay, mahirap.
Between?
5 tsaka G's.
G's?
5 G's tapos
12. Yun! White Horse mo. Pang-anim.
Oh, ha?